Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like, share with your friends. So just know that we actually do this analysis every day, right? So what's really happening on the economic news? I hope you can see that we don't really have anything. It's Monday, so which means the market will just move as usual. But we have some great news from today, guys. So every day, actually, Monday to Thursday, we just going to resume with our live trading, live session or live trading here on YouTube. So later on, let's say before the market opens and until the market opens, right? Monday to Thursday, sometimes on Fridays, because on Fridays I also go on Trader Nick channel, right? So live streams will actually resume from today. I will see if maybe, yeah, I will see today. I'll actually go on a live session. If not today, it means that it will be tomorrow because I need to go somewhere. I start to remember that I need to be somewhere. Got a time. But anyways, we just resumed, so I will always update you every day if maybe we're going to be on the live session. So the best thing that you can do is to just make sure that you actually do that notification on that channel. So anyways, what's really happening on Tuesday? We have PMI, not really aggressive. Powell testifies. Yeah, that will move the market here and there. Let's hope that they don't really change their stories. Unemployment claims. On Thursday, on Friday, we have NFP. So NFP is going to be great. I see the numbers here. They say they are going to go down. If it happens like that, that is going to be nice. And there is rumors that there is a chance that they will not cut the rates. And if they even mention that, we know very well that the markets, stock markets, they will actually go down. They will melt. Nasdaq, US30, whatever, they are going to go down. And we don't really wish that to happen, right? We don't really want that to happen. So for those who want to be part of the team, guys, if you want to be part of the team, we have a nice special for you. I'm just giving this special for, it's actually a weekly special. If you want to join our lifetime signals, you can join that now for $150, 7 days special only. We are coming from 450. This is actually 450. I will show you the thumbnail, sorry, not the package now on the screen. So if you want lifetime, you can get it for 150. So yeah, just let me know. Just let me know if you will be in that, right? 150 for a lifetime signal. So that's really aggressive. So this thing hold this. Oh, it's fine. So anyways, let's go on a straight analysis. I will just try to make it quick or fast as that so that we can finish this as quick as possible, especially when we're gonna have some live session later on. So which means now we can do it quite very quick. And later on, we have like almost 1 hour to 2 hours on the chart, right? But on that, just know that just because we are going to go on a live session, guys, we are going to on the live sessions. Just know that I'm not just going to go there and just send you some signals. There is people who actually paid for those signals. So which means 99% of those signals will be sent in the group. So whatever that I'm going to do here, I will just actually focus on very few pairs. I will just do the analysis for some, but if maybe I will be giving you some signals, it will be on a 1 or 2 pairs only. Simple as that. So this is the reason why sometimes I don't really want to go live, because people, they expect just to give you to give them everything, but they forget that we also have groups that people paid, you see. So that is not really fair. But at the same time, I really want to go on a live session. But once we go on a live session, we have this dilemma whether we should go live, because when we go live, we have to give them signals. When you give them signals, the ones in the group, they say, Kenzo, but you did not really send that. Now I no longer know what to do, you see. So anyways, what's really happening on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is just flying, guys. You can see that we broke out of that resistance, so it means the market is still very, very closer to that area. So we might see the market flying again, quite similar to what happened here. If that happens, yeah, this is going to be quite crazy. The market is seriously flying, guys. This is seriously crazy. But anyways, there's nothing we can do. We can just watch and let it fly. If maybe if maybe you have some bitcoins or crypto stock, yeah, to me I can say you are actually eating, which is actually great. You can just enjoy eating. So now what's really happening? We are on DXY. We are on DXY. I think on Friday. I don't know if it's Friday or Friday or Sunday. I think I missed this. I just gave you some example about a line chart that it was much cleaner, and I forgot to show you this. So anyways, let's see what's really happening on DXY or dollar index. It measures the strength of the dollar. You can easily see that no, we are coming from this downtrend. Now we are going up, which means we are uptrending, right? We are actually on a very nice uptrend. Let's see what's really happening. Let's zoom this. You can see that this is the trend, actually. This is the trend, and the thing is the market is just trying to reverse. You can see that since this area the market is trying to reverse, we can say we have a resistance there. You can see that the market did respect that, but on the bottom side here, I just drawn this. It's not really a stronger one. The market can still break this, but I will wait and see if maybe the market is respecting this area. If it does respect that area, it will mean that we'll see the market pushing up, and that will mean the dollar will be gaining that momentum again, that stronger momentum again, or bullish momentum, and that will make other pairs to sell. We can see the time the market was going down, even if it's not really that aggressive, but we saw Nasdaq, S&P 500 buying, and which was great. And if the market decide to do the other way around, it means we might see them starting to give us some sell positions. But I'm expecting this to break the support so that we can start to go even lower. Simple as that, right? So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is USDJPY. What's really happening? We are still on that uptrend. The market is quite straightforward. You can see that things looks very great here. Things are nice. We can't say we don't really understand. We are still on that uptrend, and the market is still going to the upside. Where we are actually, it's actually our support area. So I'm still expecting to see the market going up. You see, I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So what I see here is we are having this support area. We had that buy. Let me remove that. So what I'm expecting here, we actually have 2 or 3 options only. So it's either the market is going to break this resistance and we keep buying, or maybe the market is going to respect this support and we buy. And the third one is when the market breaks this this support, then we can say, okay, the market is trying to do what? To change the trend, and which means we are going to start to look for those sell positions or downtrend. The market will be starting to go down, right? So let's push to the next one. I think that is quite straightforward. And we don't really have much. We don't really have some economic news today, actually, or this week. We don't really have much until Friday. So what's really happening on GBPUSD? GBPUSD is trying to go towards that that resistance. You can see that we are coming from a very nice structure going down. Even though you don't really understand, you can see that no, this makes sense. We can see where the market or this resistance was playing around. You can see this area makes sense. So on the bottom side, it doesn't really matter much. It doesn't really matter much because what we care about this area where the market is respecting and continuing to go lower. So the market now, it's around this resistance, which means we might have another sell pending order. Last week we had a sell pending order and the market is reversing, but it's fine. We're gonna have another one as the market is going towards this resistance. So I'm expecting to see a reversal around that level. So our sell pending order is going to be a little bit lower. So as we're going to go live, as we are going to go on our live sessions, I see that there is people who actually want me to go live, guys. We used to go live, for those who don't know, we used to go live like almost every day. So I think we're gonna resume on that. But the problem was sometimes I get tired because I also have some classes. I have mentorship classes. So instead of that, sometimes when there is load shedding, I just stop it and say, you know what, maybe that will be my 2 hours just to rest, then I will continue. So I don't really have to, I have a backup, but sometimes I just need to rest. I overwork because I also, the problem with going live also, if you know, it's also I am not able to trade nicely. I can't trade freely because I have to check my phone, do this, send to the other groups, and at the same time I need to speak to you here on the on the live session. You see, so it's it's like a work or a job that needs 3 people. Unless if maybe there was someone who was sending the signals on the other side, and I was just going to just keep doing whatever that I'm doing here, it was going to be much better. If there was someone who's going to teach my people on the mentorship side, it was going to be much better because I know once I'm done with this, I will be done for the day. But you know what? I work more than people who work. If you have like 9 to 5, I work more than that. You see, we have like serious work here going on. But by the way, we are on Euro USD. What's really happening after that downtrend? We can easily see that the market broke out, but now the market just gave us this consolidation structure. It seems like the market will be trying to actually go to the upside. We see that the market is trying to pushing to the upside. So we have this nice resistance here. The question is, will the market respect that? Will the market respect this area? If it doesn't really respect that, we will be going to the upside, which means we will be buying Euro USD. And it's for us, it's easy because already we see a breakout here, which means the market wants to change the trend and start to push to the upside. But since the market was consolidating, we had to wait. So, and with this type of a move, it shows that the dollar is losing that momentum. So, which means it's good. Euro is gaining something. Maybe we will be continuing going to the upside, which means we are going to buy as the trend will be continuing on that uptrend. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So now we are actually on Goldi, Gauta, precious metal. So I think I need to clear some stuff here, but for now I will just leave that now because it still makes sense. So what's really happening is we have this higher area here, the second one and the third one, and it seems like the market is going to respect that area, but now the market is pushing up again. I'm expecting to see another reversal from that area, so I think I will have to have a sell pending order. There are so many reasons why gold is pushing up. Geopolitical news, guys, that is something else, plus the weakness of the dollar, that is something that is pushing the gold to go up or to have this bullish momentum. So there are so many factors. So we broke out of that smaller downtrend. You can see we had this smaller downtrend here. The market just broke out. So around this area, we might have a nice sell. So for me, this is comfortable for me to have that sell. So I will be sending that actually in the group. So if you are in the group, don't worry, you are covered. So now we are actually on Euro USD. Not Euro USD. US30. Dow Jones. Yeah. Dow Jones, what's really happening on Dow Jones? We can easily see that, no, man, the market, it's been actually on a very nice bullish momentum. The market has been going up for quite some time. So this is actually nice because we just kept buying, even though somehow the market kept reversing here and there, but we are on a very nice uptrend, right? So the market was uptrending very nice. So what can we do here? We just continue buying. There's nothing special here. As long as you understand the trends, this is something that you will be enjoying because you just follow the trend. You don't really try to figure something new, you just follow the trend. So what's really happening here is, yeah, we had a nice resistance there. The market broke out, but the market created something around this level. But on the bottom side also, we had a proper support. That's why we see the market respecting that. So I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. Yes, we are still on a smaller profit, but this is not really aggressive. It's not really the same as Nasdaq and S&P 500. But yeah, we are actually in profit, and we did smash. I closed some of my positions. I left with actually one Nasdaq, but I opened with a smaller lot size. I think you saw that yesterday. So unless if maybe the market tries to break this support area, but we're gonna have to, it has to break this horizontal at this diagonal, then we can say that is a breakout. Then from that area, we might wait for smaller consolidation. Then we can say it's time for us to look for that sell, right? But for now, let's wait. We are still actually on a very nice uptrend, but you have to take care. I mean, you have to pay attention to that resistance. The market can respect that and start to play around, especially when we have NFP this Friday. That might make things to go way too slower. And we know very well that when we have some economic news, mostly the market will be going quite slow, right? So now we are actually on Nasdaq 100. This is my favorite instrument or symbol or pair, whatever. So you can see that, yeah, we are still on this nice uptrend. The market is pushing to the upside. It's going to the upside. We did smash this for, yeah, we did smash this. So if you were part of the team, or if you are in the group, you know what I'm talking about. We smashed this left and right. So, but now, what's the plan? What's the plan? So here's the plan. My plan, it will come from the average move here. We have this average move from this move. So I'm going to place this here. So which means I'm expecting a greater or a stronger reversal once the market reaches this area. You see, let me do it like this. So I will be making this a resistance from this level. Let's push it for both sides. So something like that. So now I'm going to expect the market. Remember, this is actually our halfway, but I just made this take profit so that we can eat very nice, and we did eat. So I'm expecting the market to reach this level. Why? Because this is the same a move or average move from our previous structure. So it's like here. So I'm expecting the market to create the same thing before we get that aggressive reversal. And this can be TP2, take profit 2, if you do stuff like that. So which means I'm still expecting to see that push until maybe we reach this level. Maybe we're gonna have that reversal. If we don't really have that, we might have some consolidation around this area before we see the market going aggressively higher again. It seems like now the market is trying to go even higher, which is fine because I'm still locked to my one position, not the other ones I closed. But if you are in the team, please make sure that you secure your profits. Make sure you don't really lose anything. Don't let your profit go into negative. We don't play like that, right? So S&P 500, it's also continuing. This is good thing because we also have some positions in this, but I told my people to lock. So which means if we continue around this area, it's going to be a potential resistance. Maybe from there, we're going to have a sort of a sell. If the market decides to do something else, we'll see the market breaking that and pushing to the upside. Simple as that. US oil was also playing, doing its thing. It was aggressively going up. German 30 seems to be going down. Don't worry, we'll do German 30 on our live sessions. So US oil seems to be now trying to reverse, not really reversing. We are on this level. You can see that level. So this is that level. So there is a chance that the market can respect that and even go lower. But you can see that, yeah, indeed, the market is actually pushing to the upside, which means we are actually on a very nice uptrend. So we're just waiting for the market to reverse before we look for that buy. Simple as that. We don't really want to actually make things difficult. So lifetime signals, we have this weekly special for only $150. You can see that if you want to join the other ones here, you can see prices are very nice because we give you proper service or proper information on the signals. And yeah, most of the time, 85% of the time, for those who wants to join mentorship, it's there's $350. But if you want mentorship plus lifetime signals, it's actually $450 for on their prop firm, or even if it's not prop firm, but it's just a bigger account that you want to just make money on that, and you need special signals that will be sent in your group. Just let me know. I will assist you with that. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget that we're gonna have a live session from now on going further. So we're still gonna have some changes here and there because we now actually this year I expected to go live like nobody's business, but we will see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. So don't worry, guys. Don't forget to smash that like. See you on the next one.